Hey guys, this is Jordan, the wheel horse guy. Just bought a mini bike the other day. $700 Tractor Supply. I bought this one, and then I bought that from another guy. This one's brand new. It's never been run. I just drained all the factory oil. I put brand new oil in it. I put Shell 10W30. Factory comes with Baja oil, but that shit's fucking 1540, and I was like, no. So yeah, I put straight 30 in it. I just put gas in it. No ethanol gas. Run no ethanol gas, whatever you guys do in small engines. So I'm gonna give it a start up here in a minute, but I gotta cut off this stupid thing that they put on there from the factory. There we go. So hold on a minute, I'll be back to you guys. Hold on. Alright, we're back. Got that thing cut off. So let's start it up. Let it run for it. Gotta let it break in. Fuel on. Choke on. Looks like this is the ignition. The question is which ones? That's lights. Alright, here we go. Like nobody's business, one pole. Incredible. Come with a few tools that are in here. Got the manual. Spark plug wrench. Pressing tools in there. We'll leave those in there, you never know. What the hell? Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.